Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you to another toy that we got for our golden doodle here. It's a tug-of-war type toy. This one is for the larger dogs. And that's what it looks like. I think. Like it, Zaylee? Here you go. Here you go. Either two dogs can play with the toy, or you can just keep on pulling it on one end and the dog will tug on the other side. It's bacon scented, so that'll keep your dog busy, and it's just a great toy. It's got like a strong bungee in the middle here. This is a nylon side, and this is the natural rubber side of the toy. So you can just pull on here. Yeah, yeah, there we go. Good girl. So here you have it.